In this video, I will show you step by step how to check in Finnair Airlines. So friends, go to Google, search for Finnair, this keyword. After that, scroll down, you will see this official website, finnair.com. And then all you have to do, go to click on this website. You will see this page. From this page, guys, just click check-in option. After click on check-in option, you can check in through this option. You have a booking reference. Enter, for example, your booking reference, this one, for example, my booking reference, and then all you have to do, write your booking reference, as I say. After that, write your family name here and this family name. After that, click on start a check-in. So watch my booking reference. If you don't if you don't know your booking reference, click this option. From here, in this guide, you will see your booking reference consists your 6 character that can be either letters or number 2229. So 2229, as I said, and you can find your booking reference or a ticket. And you can also check your upcoming trips. Just click login with your email address and password, and then click login to check your upcoming flight. Thanks friends for watching this guide. See you on another video soon.